Two really remarkable people with us today. They have some very important things in common. They're both named Daniel. But more importantly, they're both champion Rubik's Cubers. Daniel Goodman is the Paramix US national champion in cubing. And then Daniel Rose-Levine, among many other things, he's the world record holder in solving the Rubik's Cube with one's feet. So today first of all, you'll get to see some of their demonstrations of their incredible talents, but also by the end today, they will actually tell you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and with some practice, you'll all be able to solve it after this event. So without further ado, Daniel and Daniel.
Can everyone hear me?
Okay, cool. So welcome everybody. Today we're going to be teaching you how to solve all 6 sides of the Rubik's Cube. We'll start off with some introductions. So I think Munchel did a great job of introducing us, but for some more information, I'm Daniel Goodman. I'm 18 years old. I'm a freshman at Princeton University. I'm from Howell, New Jersey, small town, and I've been cubing for 7 years. I'm the 2018 Paramix US National Champion, and I'm currently ranked 7th in the world with a 2.32 second average on the Paramix event. Thank you. I also have a YouTube channel with 50,000 subscribers called DG Cubes, so if you're interested in Rubik's Cubes, make sure to check it out. I post pretty frequently, so yeah.
Alright, and I'm Daniel Rose-Levine. I'm 16 years old. I'm a freshman at Bard College at Simon's Rock. I'm from Red Hook, New York. I've been cubing for about 4 years. I have the 3x3 with feet world record single of 16.96 and the world record average of 5 of 22.22.
That's seconds, by the way.
That's seconds, yes. And I'm first in North America for sum of ranks, which is all 18 cubing events, the sum of all your ranks.
All right, so we're going to get started with a demonstration. Am I out of the way? Okay, well, there we go. Okay, cool. We'll do one more. There we go. Three, two, one, go! There we go.
So there's 3 different kinds of moves you can make on every side when you see one of these letters. So if you were to do a U move, you would do the up face like this clockwise, and that is a U move.
Everybody can try that. Turn your top face clockwise, and that's called U. Look around the cube for whichever side has a yellow center, and that'll be the target side where you're trying to get all these 4 white pieces.
Trying to get this white edge to be in one of these 2 positions. So what we can do is we can just move this edge up twice, and now it will be next to the yellow one. Now we have 3 of the white edges around the yellow center. And as you can see now, we have the white cross solved, and on the side, we have each edge is matched up with the corresponding center.